Get on.
Get on the bus before it leaves. Get off. Get off the bus at the next stop. Put on. Put on your jacket, it's cold. Take off. Take off your shoes at the door. Run away. Run away before it's too late. Come off. The paint started to come off. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garage. Look after. Look after the plants daily. Grow up. Kids grow up so fast. Tear up. Don't tear up the important documents. Pick up. Pick up your toys after playing. Fill in. Fill in your name here. Get up. Get up and start your day. Get in. Get in the car and close the door. Get out. Get out the car and lock it.